Bail has been granted.
Can you start again?
There was noise. Can you start again? Thank you. All right, I have to be very fast. In short, bail has been granted on $10,000 to be deposited, surrender passport, title deeds to reside at his given address, not to post on his Twitter account or to create any other Twitter account to use to incite the holding of mass demonstrations for whatever purpose until the end of his matter, and to report on Fridays.
But what's your reaction?
I'm afraid I have to.
One question.
The other lawyers will come and address you soon. We are just very happy that our client is out. Yes, there are very stringent bail conditions, but we are happy at this stage that our client is out. Thanks very much.
Is he coming out today?
So, of course, we are happy that our client has now been granted bail. That is the main purpose for us, was to ensure that he gets out. Of course, the fact that he has been incarcerated all this time is a huge injustice. These bail conditions are extremely strict. We feel that they are overly stringent. They do even restrict his constitutional rights. So, of course, that we disagree with. But at this stage, we are happy that he has been granted bail. And now our priority is ensuring that he gets out tonight, because with these restrictions, it now means that there can be administrative challenges in terms of getting him out, which we don't want to slow us down. So we are still awaiting further diagnostic tests on that. Okay.